Hello everyone, and welcome back to Diamond Autos. If you're someone who values strength, reliability, and long-term performance over fancy features, then today's video is just for you. We're taking an in-depth look at the 2025 Mahindra Bolero B6, a vehicle that has built a reputation as one of the toughest and most dependable SUVs in its category. This review will cover everything from its design philosophy to real-world performance, comfort, ownership costs, and who this SUV is really made for. So make sure you watch till the end. Before talking about the 2025 model, it's important to understand what the Mahindra Bolero stands for. For years, the Bolero has been known as a workhorse SUV. It's widely used in rural areas, commercial fleets, government departments, and by people who need a vehicle that simply works every day without complaint. Mahindra has focused on evolution rather than drastic changes, and the 2025 Bolero B6 continues this tradition of proven engineering and trusted performance. The 2025 Mahindra Bolero B6 retains its classic boxy design, which is a big reason behind its popularity. This design is not about trends, it's about function. The tall stance, straight lines, and upright front give the Bolero a strong and confident road presence. It looks tough, purposeful, and ready for challenging conditions. Whether you're driving through busy city streets or rough countryside roads, the Bolero always feels solid and commanding. Step inside the Bolero B6, and you'll immediately notice its practical approach. The cabin is designed for durability and comfort rather than luxury. The seating position is high, offering excellent visibility, which is especially useful on highways and uneven roads. There is enough space for passengers to sit comfortably, and the overall layout is easy to understand. Everything feels placed where it should be, making the Bolero user-friendly for drivers of all experience levels. One of the strongest points of the 2025 Mahindra Bolero B6 is its build quality. This SUV feels robust from the moment you get in. The doors feel heavy, the body structure feels solid, and the overall construction inspires confidence. This is a vehicle designed to handle years of use, rough handling, and demanding environments. If you're looking for something that can take abuse and still perform reliably, the Bolero fits that role perfectly. Under the hood, the 2025 Mahindra Bolero B6 comes with a reliable diesel engine known for its strong low-end torque. This makes the SUV ideal for carrying passengers, transporting goods, or driving on uneven and unpaved roads. The power delivery is smooth and predictable, allowing for stress-free driving. The manual transmission complements the engine well, making gear shifts easy and controlled, even under load. On the road, the Bolero B6 offers a stable and confident driving experience. The suspension is tuned to handle bad roads effectively, absorbing bumps and uneven surfaces without too much discomfort. While it's not a performance-oriented SUV, it excels in real-world conditions where reliability matters most. Steering is straightforward, and the overall driving feel is reassuring, especially for long-distance or heavy-duty use. Safety in the Bolero B6 is centered around its strong structure and proven mechanical components. Mahindra has focused on providing a solid body and stable handling rather than loading the vehicle with excessive electronic features. This approach suits buyers who prioritize toughness and reliability. The vehicle feels planted on the road, and the driving position adds to overall confidence. Fuel efficiency is another area where the Bolero B6 performs well for its segment. The diesel engine delivers respectable mileage, helping keep running costs under control. Maintenance is affordable, service centers are widely available, and spare parts are easy to find. These factors make the Bolero an excellent option for buyers looking for low long-term ownership costs. Owning a Mahindra Bolero has always been associated with peace of mind. The 2025 Bolero B6 continues this trend by offering reliability, easy maintenance, and strong resale value. Even after years of use, the Bolero holds its value better than many competitors. This makes it a smart investment for both personal and commercial use. The Bolero B6 is ideal for buyers who need a tough and dependable SUV rather than a luxury vehicle. It suits farmers, business owners, fleet operators, and families living in areas with poor road conditions. If your priority is durability, load carrying ability, and long-term reliability, this SUV is designed with you in mind. When compared to modern feature-loaded SUVs, the Bolero B6 may seem simple. However, that simplicity is its biggest strength. Fewer complex electronics mean fewer problems over time. The Bolero is for buyers who want a vehicle that performs consistently without worrying about expensive repairs or advanced technology failures. To conclude, the 2025 Mahindra Bolero B6 remains true to its roots. It is strong, reliable, practical, and built to last. While it may not offer luxury or cutting-edge features, it delivers exceptional value in terms of durability and ownership costs. If you're looking for an SUV that prioritizes function over fashion, the Bolero B6 is a solid choice. If you found this detailed review helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Diamond Autos, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.